Bonjour, I'm Hina from evitality.in and in this session we'll learn adverb of places in French. So what are adverb of places in French? It's like outside, inside, around, here and there. So इस सेशन में हम एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेसेस से करेंगे. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेसेस जो एडवर्ब प्लेसेस से रिलेटेड होते हैं, जैसे हेयर और देयर, अराउंड, इनसाइड, आउटसाइड, वो हम इस सेशन में करेंगे. We'll start with the first adverb of places, which is inside and outside. So the first adverb is inside and outside. For inside we have dedans, dedans and à l'intérieur. Dedans and à l'intérieur. So we have two words or two forms to say inside, and dedans and l'intérieur. For example, wait for me inside. Wait for me inside. It will be attendez-moi dedans, attendez-moi dedans and attendez-moi à l'intérieur. So, attendez-moi dedans, attendez-moi dedans and attendez-moi à l'intérieur, which means wait for me inside. Both are correct. Attendez-moi means wait for me and dedans is inside and à l'intérieur means inside too. So both are correct. Next example is I am inside the car. I am inside the car. For this example, something is different. So, je suis dans la voiture. So, inside we use dans, which means in. So, je suis dans la voiture. I am inside the car. Je suis dans la voiture. So, for inside, we can also use dans. Now, for the outside, we have dehors and à l'extérieur. So, dehors and à l'extérieur. For example, wait for me outside. The same expression. Wait for me outside. It will be attendez-moi dehors, attendez-moi dehors or attendez-moi à l'extérieur. So, attendez-moi dehors and attendez-moi à l'extérieur. Both are correct. The next example is something different. The man is outside the house. So, the man is outside the house. It will be l'homme est à l'extérieur de la maison. So, we use the preposition de here. So, l'homme est à l'extérieur de la maison. Maison means a house. So, l'homme est à l'extérieur de la maison. The man is outside the house. Or it can be l'homme est dehors. L'homme est dehors. In dehors, we are not supposed to, it is not necessary to add de la maison at the end of dehors. Next, we have inside and outside. So, for inside, as we see, we have il est dedans, il est dedans, and à l'intérieur or à l'intérieur de la maison, and dans la maison. For inside, we have four forms, and for outside, we have dehors, à l'extérieur de la maison, and hors de la maison. So, for inside and outside, we have four forms. Is that clear? And second, we have around. So, the second adverb of place we have around. So, for around, we have a tour, and le or par le and dans les parages. So, for around adverb, we have autour, la, par la and dans les parages. For example, is she around? Is she around can be elle parle, elle parle, elle le, A-L la, and A-L don't lay parage. So is she around? Can be A-L parla, A-L la, A-L don't lay parage. Now all around. For all around we have two, a tool, two, a tool, two and a tool. And to look around we have regarder, a two, de soi. So for to look around we have regarder, a tour de soi. Now the conjugation form of to look around we have, for example, I look around will be j'ai regardé autour de moi. Je regardais autour de moi. And for you look around will be tu regardais autour de toi. So for I it will be moi. For you it will be toi. Tu regardais autour de toi. And for il it will be il regardait autour de lui. And for elle it will be elle regardait autour de elle. And for nous it will be nous regardons autour de nous, vous regardez autour de vous, and so on. So all these are the conjugation for to look around in French. Now the third adverb of places is up there. So for up there we have le haut. Le haut. H is silent, H is mute, so it will be le haut. And the example is, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? It will be, qu'est-ce que tu fais le haut? Qu'est-ce que tu fais le haut? Or the link word will be, qu'est-ce que tu fais le haut? Qu'est-ce que tu fais le haut? Qu'est-ce que tu fais le haut? What are you doing up there? Now for down there and over there we have le bas. Le bas for down there and over there it will be le bas. And for up there and down, for up here or down here we have ici. For up here and down here we have AC. Now the fourth adverb of place, the last one we have here and there. Here and there. For example, here it is. Here it is. It will be c'est ici, c'est ici, or it can be le voici and le voici. According to the subject, the gender of the subject, it will be le voici and le voici for here. Now for there it is. For there it is, we have c'est le. C'est le and le voilà and le voilà according to the gender of the subject. Le voilà and le voilà. So le voilà and le voilà. So masculine we have le voilà and for feminine we have le voilà. So for around we have 3 forms. For look around we have 1 form. And for up there and down there we have 2 forms. If you want to revise on this example once again, you can download from the link below. C'est fini, à bientôt, merci.